Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, northern suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota. To date, we have a new Chevrolet Apache Pickup 1959. I'm going to give you all the details in but a moment. Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, northern suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about our latest addition to our inventory, and is it a beauty? A 1959 Chevrolet 3100 Apache Pickup. If you forget what it is, all you have to do is look on the side of the front fender and it tells you everything right there at the one site, whatever. Beautiful truck. You're going to want to watch this entire video from start to finish because we're going to do a cold start, we're going to do a walk around, which will give you more of the details that I know you're always looking for when you watch these videos. And we do try to do a very good job on these videos just so it helps you get a better feel for what we have sitting on our sales floor. Now, you can click on the link in the description and it'll also take you right to our website, and our website being www.ellingson.motorcars.com, where you'll find this vehicle and over 100 additional vehicles that are currently in inventory and are for sale on our sales floor. Yes, we have a large variety from cars from the 1920s all the way up into the 90s and beyond. So if you're looking for your first collector car or vehicle or your 100th, odds are Ellingson Motorcars perhaps has your dream car sitting right on the sales floor. All you do is need to click on that link and take a closer look. But let's get back to the details of this. Pickups in 1959, of course, second year where they got the dual headlights. But pickups had kind of have an evolution, you know what I mean? They were more of a utilitarian vehicle back in the 40s and the early 50s. But by the time we hit 1959, they had some styling. They had some really unique features. They just had more of a comfort, if you will. Not only were they still utilized as a truck, but yet they still had more of an appeal for the consumer and the person who owned it, that you drive into town. It had a nice look, especially the Stepside model, which we have right here. Now, in 1959, this comes with the ever-reliable 235 inline six-cylinder engine that Chevrolet used for many years. And I'll tell you what, it is nicely detailed and runs very, very well. Just a really nicely detailed vehicle. I think that's what you're going to find about this entire truck, is it's just very well done. Base coat clear and bright red. I mean, and of course then they have added the wide white walls, which really sets off a vehicle like this, and they are the radial tires. Radial tires, of course, the biggest improvement on any of these old vehicles, bar none, just for safety, drivability, handling, you name it. Plus they look really good, don't they, with the beauty ring and the little center hubcap with the Chevrolets on them. It's just a really good look with the red truck. I'm looking at the interior of the truck. Now, by the way, this does have a 3-speed, 3 on the tree. Now, I got to make sure to make that clear. 3 on the tree means on the steering column, that's where the shifter is, being reverses up here first and then second and third. I had some person one time say, what's 3 on the tree? Well, for those that don't know it, now you do. Nicely done interior in this, a nice tan cloth bench seat, lots of room for 3 people to sit in or more in the day. Didn't have to have seat belts in 1959, so you could probably squeeze a few more. And we used to ride in the back of pickups. Well, I don't think they're going to quite allow us to do that anymore, but it is just one of those things that we always reminisce about. Still has the beautiful vent windows, my favorite form of air conditioning in 1959, because air conditioning was such an expensive option. You drove down the road with the vent windows. It helped a lot. Remember, in 1959, everything was an option. You had to order anything and everything that you wanted. You wanted to have an outside mirror, that was optional. You wanted to have the inline 6 or the V8 or the 3 on the tree or the Power Glide automatic. It was all things you had to check off when you ordered this particular vehicle. Beautiful, like I said, interior is very, very nice. Nice interior all the way around. It's a factory radio delete deal. Still has the little plate right in with the Chevrolet emblem on it. That, you know, again, maybe someone was using this for work or farm truck, whatever. but it was very well taken care of. Don't you just love the Stepside box and whatever in this car? Wood flooring in the box with the stainless strips that go down it. This truck has a really nice set of chrome bumpers on it as well. And the tailgate is really, really nice condition all the way around. Now you can find all of our stuff on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and now even TikTok. You know, give us a like, leave us a comment, or subscribe. We appreciate it very much. It'll give you all the information on this particular vehicle, our current inventory, and as an added bonus, some of the vehicles we've sold over the last several years as well. So if you have time to look at those sites, I'm sure you'll enjoy it if you're an old car aficionado like many of you are that are watching this video. No, it's just one of these old trucks that just really well done, nice and solid. I mean, I just love this bright paint with the base clear. I mean, it is probably better paint on this thing than what came in 1959, to say the least. But if you're like me, you're gonna say, you know, Scott, I really love these videos. They're great, they're very informative, give me all the information. I appreciate that very much, but I want to come and look at it in person. Well, absolutely. We'd love to have you come to Ellingson's. We are open Monday through Friday from 10 until 5, and Saturdays 10 to 4 as well. And that is something that if you want to come in, make sure you fit in the vehicle, and you want to make sure it's real. Oh, it is real. I can touch it. It is real. We are happy to have you come down. Now, if you're like me, if you also, you know, have a Chevrolet truck, join the National Chevrolet Truck Club or the Chevrolet Club or whatever vehicle that you buy, because I'll tell you what, you got good camaraderie with people who have same interests, plus you have information and people that can answer questions you have. You can also give us a call beforehand. We're more than happy to do our best at answering them at 763-428-7337, and we'll do our best to take care of any of your needs. Now, if you're looking for financing or shipping, we also have some sources and people that we can refer you to as well to help you get that stuff in line as well. Well, I'll tell you what, 1959, great year. I mean, Chevrolet really had a good looking pickup truck, if you ask me. And if you need to have one of these, you could actually use this truck if you really needed to. I don't think I'd haul gravel in it anymore, but it's very well done. So thank you again for watching our video, and hopefully we'll see you in the near future, because always make us a favorite. Make sure our website is your favorite at ellingsonmotorcars.com, where you'll catch all the newest and latest arrivals and new additions and any of that interesting stuff that comes up all the time. Thank you again, and we'll see you next time on Ellingson Motorcars.